Mastering lead generation. Boost your software sales with AnyBiz. Lead generation is essential for software companies to drive growth and conversions. AI tools like AnyBiz.io simplify prospecting, personalize outreach, and predict lead behavior, allowing businesses to focus on closing deals. Software lead generation attracts and converts prospects into actionable leads. MQLs need nurturing. SQLs show strong buying intent, and PQLs, often trial users, are highly convertible when their experience meets expectations. B2B targets decision makers, involves longer sales cycles, and relies on personalized outreach and in-depth resources like demos. B2C focuses on individual consumers, with faster cycles driven by high-volume campaigns, straightforward messaging, and freemium models. AI transforms lead generation by automating tasks, analyzing data for high-quality leads, personalizing outreach, and predicting conversions. It optimizes workflows and improves results over time. AI automates lead generation, follow-ups, CRM management, and segmentation, saving time and resources. Tools like AnyBiz.io streamline prospecting and outreach while providing real-time insights to optimize strategies and boost efficiency. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes lead generation for software companies with AI sales agents handling prospecting, personalized outreach, and scheduling. Operating 24/7, it engages prospects across channels, ensures email deliverability, and provides a dashboard to track performance metrics, all without manual effort. AnyBiz.io leverages AI to identify businesses ready to engage, tailoring personalized outreach across email, LinkedIn, and AI cold calls. Its AI-driven sales agents work 24/7, automating prospecting, messaging, and meeting scheduling. With smart decision-making and email warming, AnyBiz.io ensures effective, spam-free engagement, optimizing lead generation for software companies. AnyBiz.io automates lead generation, helping software companies boost ROI and focus on closing deals. Start a 7-day free trial today, no credit card required, and let AI handle the hard work. Success in lead generation for software companies relies on effective strategies like content marketing, personalized email outreach, LinkedIn engagement, and SEO. Tools like AnyBiz.io enhance scalability and personalization, streamlining processes for better results and faster growth. Lead scoring assigns value to leads based on conversion potential, helping software companies focus on high-quality prospects. Accurate scoring aligns sales and marketing, improves MQL quality, and ensures efforts target leads ready to convert, crucial for long sales cycles in the tech industry. AI enhances lead scoring by using predictive modeling to analyze vast data points, identifying signals that indicate purchase intent. This dynamic approach automates lead prioritization, advancing top prospects to sales while nurturing others with targeted marketing. Key metrics like conversion rate, CPL, LVR, CAC, and LTV reveal lead generation efficiency. AI-powered analytics provide real-time insights and predictions, helping refine strategies and boost ROI dynamically. Thanks for joining us. Explore AnyBiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.